director, like Eric. And doon namin na-relay lahat ng mga gusto namin i-share. Kung paano namin i-treat yung role, nasabi rin sa amin ni Direk Eric kung paano niya gustong i-play namin yung mga characters namin. So, on the set, parang it was more collaborative work. It wasn't really trying to correct each other. It was more parang, is this okay? Parang asking each other na, okay ba yung bato? Okay ba? And grabe, ang lalim ng mata ni Rico. Yung, when you look into his eyes, ang bilis niya mag-convey ng emotions. Ang bilis niya maglabas ng emotions sa mata niya. Tapos maiintindihan mo agad yung intention ng eksena. Tapos, you know when he speaks slowly. Diba? Si Rico speaks slowly. So, tumatagos talaga sa'yo yung mga lines. Tapos, well, si Rigo, basta mapapanood nyo sa movie na trinay niya talaga to be involved with the child. Pero talagang kinakancel out siya ni Sam. Parang, no, I don't want you. Don't you understand that? Ganun yung siya. Pero siya yung nag-e-exert siya ng nag-a-assert siya ng or nag-i-insist siya na maging part. Tapos kinakancel out siya. But he does it in such a gentle way. Na parang kasi pag iba yan yung treatment niya, parang, gusto ko maging parte ng buhay ng bata na yung ganon. But Rico's so gentle. As a person in real life, he's the same. He's so gentle. And how he treated his role when he was doing it. Ang sakit sa puso na makita yung gentle person na shove off or kinakancel sa buhay ng isang tao. So, I think, more than si Sandy, ang daming nag-aabang talaga kay Migo. And sa mga comments pa lang online, yung mga comments sa trailer namin is, anakan mo ako, Rico. Yun yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao. Sandali, si Migo, di ba? Tsaka si Sandy, ba't ikaw? So anyway, yun nga kasi din, I think people also see him na daddy. People see him as a daddy. So parang they want his child. So nakakatuwa na people are excited to see him in that light. Na how kaya? Is it, I think Migo mirrors also Rico and his his want to be a dad. So dito niya rin siguro na ilabas sa movie na yun. Na to, yung emotion niya.